So just imagine there were population before the dogs. Actually, there were no dogs in the world. Only the wolves are there. So wolf population is there in the jungle. Okay, so 1,000 is not the real case. I'm just making. Okay. So here what happened, like thousands of years ago, wolves were there in the jungle. Suddenly, earthquake occurs and this split into two. Now there's a huge crack in between these two lands. Due to that sound and everything what happened of the earthquake, some of the wolves they ran this way, some of the wolves they ran this way. Now their existing population separated into two. Now imagine around this area there's a village, and here more deep jungle. Now two different selection pressures. So what are the selection pressures coming from this side? Human. And here the normal selection pressures may be food, competition. Right? Let's talk about this population. What are the type of adaptation they should have? Can they have the same adaptation like that now? What type of original adaptation they had? Very aggressive, longer nails, always attack, hunt like group. So many attacking options they were having. Can they, maybe they tried that for against the humans, but definitely humans, they have weapons and everything, they chase them away and had the fire also. So they chase them away. So it's not going to work. If there are wolves, always trying to do that, one will be selected, killed by the humans. So they are not going to survive. Therefore, some of the wolves, they actually got a different approach. Like what? Coming out of the jungle. Slowly and slowly, not aggressive at all. And they may be just going closer to the humans, not doing anything aggressive, looking very innocent, okay, showing the affection. Maybe some of them stop howling because very, frightening. They learn to bark. Okay, so showing the affection for the humans. Then human thought, okay, these guys are very good guys, so let's feed them. Human put some food. Now what happened? They were thinking, okay, that's very good. We don't need to go for hunting. So let's be with the humans, they feed us, and let's show some affection for them. So they start to learn to wriggle the tail, because wolves, they don't do that. Right? So they always, when a human comes, they wriggle in the tail, showing that nice behavior they do. So each behavior means what? New protein. Imagine, wolves can't wriggle the tail. Why? They don't have that muscle to wriggle. So they can wriggle the tail. Why? Because they have that new muscle to do that. New muscle means what? New proteins. New protein means what? New genes. So that's why I say chromosomes are changing. Right? And let's say barking. Howling need different, let's say, vocal cords, different proteins. But barking needs different ones. So their alleles, proteins, everything changes. And they were basically coexisted with human, and they are completely different now. Body size decreases because no need to be that big, and they have forgot about hunting. They have shorter nails. They are very lovely animals now. Let's talk about these guys. These guys, they have to live in the harder way. Always food is low, they have to fight with that, they are hunting, not enough food all the time, so their body size is always greater than this because easier for the hunting. So they have separate genes, different alleles, so their gene pool is different. Imagine this is there for 1,000 years. 1,000 years, these two populations are maintaining. Somehow after 1,000 years, someone make a bridge. Now the dogs can go to this side, wolves can come to this side. They meet on the bridge. Now what happens if they try to reproduce? Two cases. That means they may have offsprings who are fertile. What is the meaning of that? Are they two different species? Not yet. Not yet. That means 1,000 years not enough. Maybe another 500 years. If they cannot have fertile offsprings, that means 1,000 years, they already separated into two. Remember, that is called subspecies concept. That means not yet is the two species, on the way. On the way, they are to become two different species, but still not isolated because it takes thousands of years. Clear that one? So that is basically allopatric speciation because of a physical barrier.